Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's episode, I'll be talking about a new product from the Turtle Wax Ice lineup. If you guys remember, recently I did a review about the Turtle Wax Ice Sealant Shine Spray Sealant. So it adds a lot of gloss, a lot of slickness to the paint, crazy protection. I put it up against some of its competition, and it's one of the most chemical resistant products that I have ever tested. So durability is insane. And so recently I decided to test the rest of the Turtle Wax Ice lineup to see if the rest of the lineup matches the quality and performance, and of course value for money, because that's what Turtle Wax Ice brings to the table. And today we'll be talking about the Turtle Wax Ice Snow Foam Wash. So this is a snow foam. It's a shampoo that you use in the pre-wash stage, and it also doubles as a car shampoo if you wanted to. We're going to talk about the value for money. Is it good? Does it offer good lubrication? Does it rinse off quickly and easily? And of course, well, we're going to be putting it through its paces. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day. So as I said, today I'll be talking about the new Turtle Wax Ice Snow Foam Wash. So this is brand new for 2019 in the Turtle Wax Ice lineup of products. By the way guys, don't worry, I'll make sure to include the links to the products in the description under the video so you guys can check them out. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Of course, consider clicking the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about car detailing, products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques. And of course, hit the notifications icon, that's the bell icon, and that way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So if it's the first time that you watch one of my videos, well, welcome to the channel. And for all my subscribers, well, you guys probably remember that I recently did a review for the Turtle Wax Ice Sealant Shine. This is a synthetic spray sealant formula that's infused with carnauba wax. So it adds a lot of gloss, a lot of slickness to the paint, crazy water beading as well. But the thing that stood out the most is the durability. So this resisted a lot of chemicals. I did a chemical onslaught test. I put it up against some of its competitors and it blew through that competition. Of course, go watch that video if you haven't seen it yet. And also, it's the tremendous value for money. This product here is super inexpensive, and thanks to my almost 300,000 subscribers, well, it's sold out everywhere in stores and online, but my understanding is that they're currently restocking. So I decided to test the rest of the Turtle Wax Ice lineup as well to see how good it was, and well, if there are any other standout products in the lineup. And one of them, brand new one for 2019, is this Turtle Wax Ice Snow Foam Wash. So they say it's a hybrid technology. So what does this mean? If we read the front label, ultra-rich foam conditioners blended with biodegradable detergents, safely clean and preserve paint finishes. So let's give a close-up here of the label itself. And if we look here in the back, well, other than the fact that it has the hybrid rich technology, so for added lubrication and to lift dirt and grime so you can rinse it away, it's pH balanced. So meaning it won't strip waxes or sealants that are currently on your vehicle, and it has a long dwell time. Of course, we're gonna test this on my own car, so stay tuned in a couple of minutes. We're gonna see how this product performs. And it's also good for a hand wash. So you can use this as a pre-wash stage, so your snow foam, so suds for days. And you can also use this as a hand wash. So what are the dilution ratios? In the back here, let's have a close-up. They say to add 1 ounce of product to 16 ounces of water in your foam cannon container. And if you want some richer foam for heavy foam, use up to 6 ounces per 32 ounces of water. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to do something in between. I'm going to put 2 ounces of this product in the foam cannon container and add 16 ounces of water. Well, what else? Well, they say it's good for a hand wash. So if you want to put this in your wash buckets, you can also do, because it has a lot of lubrication. So you basically add 1 ounce of product per gallon of water. So if you have a 5-gallon bucket, you can add 4 gallons of water and 4 ounces of the snow foam itself. And well, it performs extremely well. As you can tell, I've already been using a lot of this. I love to go and do some thorough testing before I go ahead and present products to you guys, so you know that they've been vetted by me. So let's go ahead and do the preparation itself. So I have my foam cannon mix here. I measured up. Let's have a close-up here. If you guys can see this, hopefully on camera. So 2 ounces of the soap itself that I'm going to pour into the container. And then we're going to add 16 ounces of water. So again, hopefully you guys can see this. I don't know how well the camera will focus. But again, this is my measuring cup. So we're gonna pour 16 ounces of water directly into the container. It doesn't have to be precise science, guys. I like to measure things up, but you can eyeball it if you want. So in my foam cannon, well, as you can see, it comes up to this mark or roughly halfway up. So you twirl it around to mix it very well. By the way, one thing that you have to note, this is not a heavy, rich, thick foam formula. So it's more on the runny side, and it was designed that way to help lift all that dirt and loose contaminants and run it off the vehicle. The important thing is the lubrication. That's what we're looking for. You want nice lubrication, and also that it rinses off very cleanly, leaving no residue behind. That's also very important. Although I don't recommend doing this, today we're still gonna work in direct sunlight to see how it performs, but usually work in the shade, guys, or in a garage and on a cool surface. So let's go ahead, let's start the testing. So again, this here is a snow foam wash. What does that mean? Well, it's a pre-wash stage. So before you go ahead and do a contact wash with your favorite mitt and your wash buckets, well, what I like to do, for those of you who follow my channel, is to do a pre-wash. So basically you put this inside your foam cannon container and you spray it liberally on the paint, so it adds a layer of foam and lubrication to the paint to lift any loose dirt and contaminants, so you can rinse them away before you go ahead and do a contact wash, thus minimizing potential scratching and swirl marks on your paint. So that's very important. This one here, well, they think about everything. It's bubblegum scented, so well, it's good for the viewer experience. And also it comes in a 48 ounces format. So you get a lot of bang for your buck, because currently now the price online is roughly $15 US. So for 48 ounces, that's insane. Usually for that price, you only get 16 ounces with some of its competition. So again, tremendous value offered by Turtle Wax Ice. So guys, as you hopefully were able to see, well, the brand new Turtle Wax Ice Snow Foam Wash performed extremely well. It smells amazing. This smells like bubblegum, but more importantly, it was able to cling onto the paint. We had long dwell time. It added a lot of lubrication on the surface, and it rinsed away very cleanly. No residue left behind, which is what I look for in snow foams. This is a 48 ounce container. This is absolutely insane here. It's 1.42 liters for those of you who use those metrics. The value proposition is insane. Again, we're talking about roughly $15 US for 48 ounces. So this is the strength of Turtle Wax Ice. Again, guys, I'll make sure to include the links in the description under the video if you guys want to check all the Turtle Wax Ice products out. Essentially, you can get them on Amazon, so quick delivery. And in the USA, you can also get these in some of your local auto parts stores. In Canada, you can find them in Walmart as well. In the UK, in Halfords stores. So what about the rest of the Turtle Wax Ice lineup? Well, first of all, let me know, did you guys try one of the Turtle Wax Ice products? I'd be curious to know which ones and what are your thoughts in the comment section under the video. Just let me know. So, of course, there's the Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine. This is the spray sealant that I tested recently. Awesome, awesome product. And one thing I found out from Turtle Wax themselves is that it can be layered. So you can apply a base coat of Seal and Shine. So this is for the long-term durability and the water beading. And you can apply a top coat of their ice spray wax. So this here is even easier to use, even easier to apply. And it gives a different shine or glow to the paint as well. So it's a perfect match for the Seal and Shine. So you can apply base layer of Seal and Shine, top layer of spray wax. And during your maintenance washes, if you want to use a quick detail spray, when you're as a drying aid, when you're drying your vehicle, you can use the Turtle Wax Ice Spray Detailer. Or if you want to do some quick touch-ups, if there's any bird poo on the vehicle, again, use it as a drying aid or even to remove a very thin layer of dust that's on the paint if your car was indoors for a while. So a great product for that. And they also have something special for people who have black paint and who want to quickly remove light swirls and light scratches. They have the Turtle Wax Ice Black Polish. So my understanding of this is it must contain some fillers, because in the back here, if we look at what they say, there are some polishing agents inside there. So polishing agents that safely remove light paint contamination and swirl marks. So there must be a little bit of abrasives in there, and black pigment that fills light scratches and swirl marks. Maximum surface bonding for lasting protection, and it deepens paint reflectivity and enhances black paint color. So not only will it fill in probably with some semi-permanent fillers, all those light scratches and swirl marks, but it's going to add depth and gloss, of course, to your paint. All in spray format, all in these 16-ounce formula bottles. Very inexpensive. Again, guys, I don't know how to say this, but they've come a long way. I can tell that they've done a lot of work in the chemistry department with their chemists to come up with this. And I mean, it's been very, very solid for me till now. So all these products absolutely work fantastically well. And the standouts, well, again, if you want to layer and have something that's inexpensive, it won't break the bank, and you have the best of both worlds. So the Sealant Shine for durability, water beating, and all that chemical protection, and also the spray wax for that depth, the gloss, the shine. Great combo to have, and again, super inexpensive. And today, once more, we tested the ice snow foam wash. So it can be used as a snow foam during your pre-wash stage. Very, very easy to use. It cleans away and doesn't leave any residue, adds great lubrication, and it doubles also as a regular car shampoo. It's safe for ceramic coated cars, waxed vehicles, or even paint sealants because it's pH neutral. So go ahead and enjoy all of this. Again, guys, I'm curious to know your thoughts and opinions about the Turtle Wax Ice lineup for those of you who have tested those, or yeah, which ones are your favorites? Which ones do you like? What's your experience with them? Let me know. Let's share with my viewers in the comment section under the video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this. As usual, show me your support by smashing the thumbs up button. I want to give a big shout out to Kelly and the team over at Turtle Wax for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. So hats off to you guys. Awesome job at Turtle Wax with the ice lineup of detailing products. By the way, guys, is there any other product in the ice lineup that you'd want to see in a review? So is there any other product you want me to test and tell you more about? Let me know. Again, drop a comment in the comment section under the video. Of course, take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under the video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. Make sure you hit the notifications icon. That's super important. It's the bell icon next to the subscribe button. And if you activate that, well, it will let you know every time I upload a video to YouTube, and that way you'll be notified. You'll be among the first to see the new videos. So guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.